In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to Google Analytics 4. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to gain deeper insights into their website's performance, combining the search data from Google Search Console with the analytics power of Google Analytics 4. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home page, which provides a quick overview of your data. Now, to set up the connection, you need to access the Admin section. To do this, simply look to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon labeled Admin. Click on that and it will take you to a new set of options. Once you're in the Admin section, your next task is to locate the Product Links option. It's usually found in the Property column. By clicking on Product Links, you'll open up a list of different integration options available for your property. From the list of options, find and select Search Console Links. This is where you'll connect your Google Search Console account with Google Analytics 4. Clicking on this option will open a new interface specifically designed for setting up this link. Now that you're in the Search Console Links section, you'll see an option to Add Google Search Console Link. Click on this and you'll be prompted to select the Search Console property you wish to connect. Make sure that you select the property that corresponds to your website and that you have the necessary permissions to make this connection. Once you've selected your Search Console property, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Google will guide you through confirming the connection, ensuring that everything is properly configured. This process is fairly straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, double-check that you have the correct permissions and try again. After successfully linking the accounts, you'll be able to view Search Console data directly in Google Analytics 4. This integration allows you to analyze search queries and landing page data alongside other metrics, providing a comprehensive view of your site's performance. Remember, having this data in one place can significantly enhance your ability to make informed decisions about your website's SEO and content strategies. So take full advantage of the insights this connection provides. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Google Search Console to Google Analytics 4. Now you can enjoy a more robust analytics experience that combines search data with user behavior insights. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing!